From our side, all the time now, when we are boosting investments to data centers, to cloud infrastructures, to AI factories or gigafactories, of course, energy efficiency is one important parameter for us all the time, because we are very committed to climate neutrality, and of course, we want to use the best technologies to be also very environmental friendly when we are investing to ICT infrastructures. This is also something that the member states have been very much looking, because there was also many member states, a very big part of our member states are also, they have expressed also the interest. So this is something that member states are of course working also on with the energy part, and we will continue now to cooperation with all of those who were expressing their interest, because we see that we need of course more consortiums there. Because now there were so many who were interested in to invest, but many of them or all of them don't have, for example, consortium, and they don't know who else would be interested in to invest.